Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel. I've got a challenge locking device called Product by Average Picker, and I got to tell you, man, this thing right here is freaking tough, and I'll show you part of the reason why. Let me zoom in just a little bit. There's the bitting on the key, and I don't know if you can notice just by this shot right here, but that's one seriously funky key. Let's see. Here's your basic key. You can see how long that thing is. Basically, reaching to the back of the lock to get back here to get those high pins is a real serious pain in the arse, man. I gotta tell you. Not to mention, let me see if I can get a decent shot of the. You can't. Well, yeah, you can see it pretty good, I guess. You see how wild the shape of that keyway is? You really can't, even with the thinnest picks that I have, which are the SS Devs. I want to say they're maybe 15 thousandths on the SS Devs. They're the thinnest I have, I believe. And even those, they get caught up in the warding in there. So just navigating it is really probably 50% of it, and then obviously trying to pick the damn lock and trying to get to the back there to get those pins back there. It proves to be very difficult. So that's my excuses. So let's see. I have gotten this open, but I got to tell you, it was not easy. Far from it. I will use top of the keyway, and I'll be using this. I guess this one would be a more like not a Z bar, but it's one of the sets when you get the heavy bars from Sparrows. Golly, let me back out again. Sorry. When you get the set from Sparrows, you get two of these, and I really rarely use this one, but being this lock, again, the weird lock, it's got this big fat hunk of whatever up here, and this tension wrench happens to fit right past it, so it doesn't get caught on that big lunk of brass right there. So it fits good. Alright, so made all my excuses. Now let's see if I can actually get it open. I will go counterclockwise because that's what worked for me. So let's see if we can get something started. Actually, I'm going to try to start it with the S. I'll be using a couple different picks too. SS Dev High Hook, I think it's called, at least the higher one. The Peterson Gem. And the Sparrows, this is one of the, I want to say it's called the Offset Hybrid maybe, from the Tuxedo Royale set. So I'll be using a selection of picks because I'll tell you what, that's what it takes. Alright, shut up Alan, pick a lock. Okay, got a slight turn now, and I mean slight. Okay, Got a slight bit more. Now, the trick is trying to hang on to that little bit and get that sucker open, because I'm telling you, man, just navigating it, like I said, trying to get in the back. It's really, really tough just to navigate it, let alone pick it. I'm not lifting it high enough. It's really tough. Trying to get those pins set high in the back without oversetting something in the front is really a treat and a half. Yep, proves pretty freaking difficult. As you can see, you got to kind of go in there and do one of these jobs to use the pick almost as a dimple pick in a way. Let me see if I can get that smaller sparrow's pick in there. Yep, okay. Felt like I set that one. Okay, got that turned back. Okay, a little bit more. We're creeping. Now if I can just hang on to it, we'll go for glory here. Oh, now I'm getting nervous, so I really hope I don't screw this up by shaking. Because this is one seriously tough lock, man. Trying to capture it on camera is like trying to capture Bigfoot for those believers. Alright. Come on, baby. Where you at? They're way back there, man. Let me see if I missed anything up front here. Doesn't feel like it, but I don't know. I hope not. I don't know. Doesn't feel like I missed anything. I'm not sure what's going on now, because now I'm not getting any kind of feedback like I did earlier. bounce and see if I can feel any feedback. Nope. Huh. I'm not feeling it. Let's see. Yeah, it's got to be that one all the way in the back. That figures. And I don't think I'm lifting it high enough. Yeah, because everything up front feels good. I'll be darned. I missed something. There we go. Boom. It was all the way in the back. Good freaking golly. I'm sorry about clapping. I probably just broke someone's eardrum. Holy freaking smack. Alright, we got it. Back it out. Son of a freaking B word. Oh, I'll tell you what, man. Beautiful, beautiful lock. Get out of here. We can take a closer look at it. Oh, man. That was from Average Picker. Yeah, Average Picker. So whoa, where are we at? Very much open. Fair enough. Now you can see what I was talking about, the length of this thing. It's really just kind of funky, awkward. Let me go ahead and lock it back up since we got a key. But yeah, you see the length of that thing? So I mean, you're going, obviously, it's just super funky to get way in the back here without messing with any of these front pins. To get those that high in a keyway like that, it's just ridiculous. I'm so glad I got that on camera. These are the kind of locks that I am trying to educate myself up to, I guess you can say. Trying to learn how to pick tougher and tougher locks, bring my skill level up. And this is a good example of where I'm trying to go. All right, let me get some of this stuff out of the way. I'm gonna grab a pinning tray. Let's try. Let's use a white one. No, you know what? We're starting back over with the red, white, and blue from that Bobby Keys made me. We'll start with the red. We'll go in order. All right. We good right here? All right, badass. I'm so glad I got that. Golly freaking jeepers. Okay, we got a clip on the back. Now I'm losing my mind. I honestly thought I wasn't gonna. Oh wow, that was easy. Honestly thought this was gonna be a lock for another day again. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I got the fun shakes, man. That's adrenaline right there, baby. Uh-oh. Wait a minute now. Don't do that to me. There we go. Well, I say there we go. Ever since the clip came off. Yeah, that's tight, man. Holy mackerel. Okay, we're good. I don't know what that was all about. Okay, a shim in here, I hope. Time for break out some new shims, I guess. Oh boy, there's a sign. Alright, bada boom, bada bang. Hopefully it's the right size. Pin should be up there. Do not screw this up, Al. Alright. 6 pins all occupied, or 6 chambers rather. And they all needed picking, fair to say. Get them laid out here. Oh yeah, already some madness. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can probably hear my phone in the background. It's the vibe is going off. I'll tell you guys, man, those solicitor calls, I'm sure we all get, I'm getting bombarded with them. I probably got a dozen just today. I had about 7 of them by lunchtime. Solicitor calls. I think that goes. I need some specs on. I can't tell which way that pin goes. Let me see that. Okay, we got like a, looks like a regular pin in the place of a key pin. This thing's not, well, it's sort of, it's almost like a quick set, I guess, on one side, barely tapered in chamber 6. Okay, maybe that's more of the trickery. That's probably why. You know what? I bet you that's why that one in the back was seriously freaking hard to set. Okay, let's get some pins going here. Bada boom, bada bing. Good on the camera. Oh yeah. Make sure it's not a 2-piece. Nope, just a nice serrated. Well done. Beautiful. Looks like a copper whatever pin or spring. 2. Another 1-piece. Looks like a spool action. Little spring. Copper or brass again. That was 2, so number 3. Oh yeah, nice. Kind of a spooled T-pin combobulation. I'd say a little bit of both. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, this lock, like I said, just navigating it. I mean, I guess for those of you that are much more advanced at this, navigating crazy keyways than I am, I guarantee it'll still be one hell of a lock to pick. But at my skill level, still learning how to navigate these kinds of keyways, it was just absolute hell. And I loved every freaking minute of it. Okay, that was 3, so we're looking for 4. There's work done to like every one of these pins. Another kind of like spooled. Yep. Every one of these pins so far I think are modified. Ooh, a little spring. And the last one, I think we can, oh, I'm going to keep going this way. Just in case. And it is, well, if I can grab a hold of it. Ah, yep. A cone T-pin. Yep. That whole back end of that lock gave me nightmares. I mean, it was ridiculous. Okay, now let's see. You know what? I didn't take a look at the core. I apologize, because I'm still freaking shaking. No mods to the core. Beautiful. You know what? It didn't need any, obviously. Well played. And then up here, no mods to the, very well played. I love it. Less damage to the lock. No mods in there either. I like that. Again, that was a product by Average Picker. Phenomenal, phenomenal lock. I mean, shit, just look at that key again. Huh? Come on now. Come on now. Play nice. Okay, bring my little fancy cardboard table around here. Get this baby up here like so. And see if we can look at some pens. Good. Good enough. Good enough? I think it looks good. Let's see. Whoops. Yeah, I think it looks good. Make sure the camera's focusing right here. Okay, so key pens. We've got this, I guess, well, it reduces and then it's like serrated with a kind of a sharp cap on it. And then number 2, I guess, is serrated. 3, double serrated. 4, I call that a spool. 5, it's got some serrations on the top, really sharp, almost like threads. 6, spool. Drivers, we got this, I guess, multi-serrated. It's got this nice little sharp end on it right here to get caught up. 2, we'll call that a spool. It's also got a serration on it right here. 3, again, spool, but kind of like a T-pin on the end of it. Same thing in number 4. Same basic idea, like a spool with a almost T-pinish shape. 5, spool, and 6, coned-like spool. And all the springs do look, what, copper or brass, whatever they make them out of. Absolutely phenomenal. Average Picker, thank you so much. And I believe you are the one that sent it to me too, so thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you all for watching. Please comment. Please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, it doesn't cost nothing. Subscribe. All right. Big Al signing out.